Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use a green screen on CapCut Mobile. Let's begin. Let's open the CapCut application and import the background of your video into the main track. Next, we're going to deselect the footage and then click on Effect. Click on Video Effects. Under the Lens section, you will find Blur. Select the Blur effect and then click on Adjust. Because I want a subtle blur, I'm going to set it to around 10 to 20. Then select it. Now, I will extend the blur effect throughout my background. I'm using a video for my background, but you can use a picture if you prefer. Next, go back and click on Overlay, then Add Overlay. Now, import the video with the green screen into your timeline and expand the overlay to fit the screen. Now I'm going to select the overlay and scroll over to Remove BG. Here, you will get three options. If your video doesn't have a green screen in the background, you can use auto removal. But since we have a video with a green background, I will use chroma key. Click on it and tap on the color picker. Then drag it to the green screen area you want to select. Click on the intensity and adjust it to around 20 until the green screen background disappears. I'm going to add a bit of shadow to it, but it is optional. As you can see, we have successfully removed the chroma key from the video. This is how my result turned out. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.